Adding your debit card at Uber Eats is pretty easy thing to do. Today we are going to talk about how you guys can use your debit card or add your debit card in your Uber Eats. So for that, obviously we have to go to this application, and in the application you have to tap on your account and it will take you to this page. Now here you have to tap on this wallet icon, and here, as you guys can see, I currently don't have any money, so you just have to tap on this add a payment method, and you just have to tap on credit or debit card, and there you go. You just simply have to add your debit card's number, your expiry date, and your CVV, which is probably in the back side of your debit card. After adding this information, your debit card will be added to your Uber Eats account. You can use this to pay without having to add this information again. After adding this information, it will be saved in for a long time. You just have to order stuff and it will automatically cut the payment from your debit card. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can add your debit card into your Uber Eats. Hope you guys find this video helpful.